If you're just joining us, then welcome. You have, though, already missed one video that we've made, which is a beginner's guide to applying lashes. Amanda is my makeup artist of 15 years. She's an absolute pro at doing that. This video, though, is about creating the no makeup look, but using eyelashes. I think it's quite easy to think that if you're going for that barely there makeup look, you shouldn't wear eyelashes because it doesn't go with it.
Yeah.
But the one thing that I really wanted when creating this line with Eylure was to have a natural looking lash, so that if you're running out to work and you want to put something on but you don't want like a really kind of obvious false lash, that can kind of sit there very naturally.
Absolutely.
And Instabel is, I think, the perfect one to do it. It's just like a little sprinkle, isn't it, of just adding to what you've already got, rather than accentuating even longer, which is what some lashes can do. These are just almost filling in the blanks that you're already there. It's adding just very subtly to the canvas of what you've already got. I'm a massive fan of a natural makeup look.
Yes, you are.
As you know.
Yes, you are.
I think there's a real skill, though, isn't there, to doing no makeup.
Yeah,
Like
totally.
as much goes into no makeup as there does to full on, I'm going out on the Raz makeup.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah, totally. It's just all about, I mean, you're known for your natural skin, natural looks anyway, and it's just sometimes people feel that natural makeup is no makeup, when in actual fact it can take several products. Yes, and several products and quite a long time to achieve just a natural polished look. And I think when it comes to lashes, people will think, say even in the magazines, you'll look at an image and you'll just think, oh, she's got no makeup on. She's got quite a bit. And sometimes a natural lash just pushes that look to just define your eyes a little bit more and just give it that extra bit of...
Yeah, so it's a little bit more polished.
Yeah, a little bit more
polished. But it still looks like you.
Absolutely, still looks super natural. So you can wear them with no eye makeup. You can just wear a little bit of eyeliner along the lash line. Nude tones, as you wear quite a lot, there's about 10 nude tones on your eyes to create this natural look. And without lashes for that kind of look, everything kind of can look a bit washed out. So lashes really help to make your eyes pop and just bring a bit more life to a just really nice natural daytime makeup.
Also, I find that say if you have a meeting or something in the daytime, you want to look like you've made an effort, so you whack your mascara on and you'll think, oh, I'm just going to put a bit more on. You really get into that lash line, you put a bit more on, and before you know it, you've got so much on that it looks like you've got full on let's go out in the evening eyelashes on.
And it's taking you 15 minutes.
And it's taking you 15 minutes.
Absolutely.
Whereas you could wait that 30 seconds for the glue to dry on a natural pair of lashes, pop them on, and you'll be out the door 10 minutes earlier.
Absolutely true. Just one layer of mascara, pop your lashes on, and as we said before, they open up your eyes. They just give you that little bit extra.
A little sparkle.
Yeah.
Without going to town on a full makeup look.
Absolutely.
What would you say your top tips for making lashes look natural would be?
Obviously, you don't have to cut these down, which is perfect.
Yeah.
So
it's kind of fail-safe as far as the length of them go.
No stress. So again, not too much glue, just keep glue to a minimum and really let it get tacky before you start to apply. It's going to make your job so much easier. And then getting them as close to the lash line as possible. You don't want a gap. It can be a bit tricky, it can be frustrating, but I think...
And it takes time.
It does.
To master
it takes
doesn't
practice.
It? Yeah.
It's like anything else, it's practice makes perfect. And by squeezing your lashes, those lashes together with your lashes, I do find it helps kind of pop them closer to the lash line, a little pinch, and kind of push them in.
Pinch and a twist.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, and keep practicing. I don't think a lot of people will struggle with these because they are quite easy to apply. They're really nice, light.
But also, I think even if you have got, you know, if it's kind of on pretty perfect, but you have got a little gap, just get a little bit of eyeliner or eyeshadow, right, and just go along your lash line, and it just fills in any little gaps.
Yeah, absolutely.
But still kind of gives you that natural you know, it's just a frame for your lash line,
just
really,
a touch
isn't it?
more definition.
And the lashes just open your eyes up a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, they really do. No matter how natural a look you want, the lashes will always just open your eyes up that much, and you just need a little bit of eyeliner just to fix it if you're having difficulties, but keep practicing. So we are using the Accent from Instabel.
Yep.
So this is the most natural lash you've got. If you wanted a super natural look, you could actually use the corner just by itself. Just a light layer of glue.
And you don't need loads though, do you? As long as there's enough to grab.
Yeah, totally.
So glue on, 20 to 30 seconds to dry,
Yeah,
or to make it tacky, right? Not to dry completely.
You want a bit of tackiness.
Remove excess with your finger.
Now, yeah, but the special thing about this glue is it actually dries clear as well, which is, so don't worry, it's not going to stay white, it actually dries
So
invisible.
this is to show how a natural lash can look natural on no makeup.
No makeup.
Yeah. The one thing I really wanted to do when designing the lashes was have a 3/4 lash so that you know that they're going to fit your eye without trimming it down.
Absolutely.
But also to have an additional corner so that even though you may want an Instabel, which is totally natural, if you do have to go for dinner and you don't like bigger lashes but you want to make it look a bit more like you've made an effort, you can whack that corner on top and make it look like a slightly different lash.
Just gives
that
that a
will
little
kind
bit
of
more
transform you
definition.
to a different type of
Absolutely.
day. Or the opposite way, if you didn't want a full lash and you just want a little flutter or something, you can wear the corner by itself without wearing the accent. So you can kind of mix and match.
Yeah, you can do what you want with them, that's the beauty. Okay, so I'm just going to squeeze that a little bit further down because it went a little bit high.
Squeeze and pinch.
Squeeze and pinch.
Squeeze and pinch and fiddle.
Have a little fiddle always. Look up for me.
That feels good.
Yep, that looks good.
Oh, you've gone and done it again, haven't you?
Yep. Should we pop the other one on?
Yep.
Okay, so again.
Why can't we just one?
Could start off a new trend. So a little bit of glue. These lashes are so lovely. They just look like individuals.
They do, don't they?
On a strip,
It's like you've
but
got
much
a few
easier.
little perfectly placed,
Yeah.
pretty fluttery lashes.
Yeah, anyone that's totally scared of lashes will love these.
It's weird, isn't it, that it's white glue yet it dries clear. You kind of, that's another thing I think when you first put them on, you suddenly panic that there's white glue.
Yeah.
You're gonna look like you've got that white eyeliner.
Absolutely.
You're right.
But remember, it's going to dry, so don't panic about it and try not to concentrate on it because it's annoying me now, but I know it's going to disappear.
Oh, it's amazing how quickly you can put it on.
They're just, yeah, the band makes it so easy.
And you know what, these, I know I'm biased because they're mine, but they, or whether I'm used to it now, I don't know, but you don't feel like you've got any on.
They feel like you.
Yeah.
Just a beautifully
They
subtly
feel
enhanced.
natural, yeah. They feel natural. I think they look super natural.
They look super natural.
They just fill in the gaps that you've probably got.
Yeah, they're gorge.
Obviously, everyone's idea of natural is different, right? So your idea of natural is very different to
But
my
I'm still
ideal
natural, but
to
you're super natural.
Yeah. So for me, this is a natural lash, but for you, you might prefer a slightly fuller lash and think that is your natural. So, which is kind of why I wanted to do Tricks the Lashes and all the aces heavier and then heavier again, because everyone's idea of natural is very different. So for you, Tricks the Lashes might be your natural, or all the aces might be your natural. So I'm really hoping that I've managed to kind of get something for everybody in the collection that we made. Thank you very much for watching. The next video that we're going to make is how you can be red carpet ready. So it doesn't have to be a red carpet that you're going to, but if you're having a night out, if you're going clubbing, if you're going to a wedding, if you've got like a major date night, to a special event basically. So she will give you all the insider tips and I'll be here for her to slap it all on. We'll see you next time.